Thank you to every one of you who has supported our channels by watching, sharing, and commenting on our videos. You motivate us to keep going when the going gets tough. A big shout out to our patrons and students. You help us stay afloat and we love you for that. In 2024, we started creating courses for different apps, and we're going to continue building that course database. I'm doing this video to help anyone who might want to sign up for them to clarify a few things. So you can enroll for our paid courses on our second YouTube channel, Paperless Humans. That sign up is simple, pretty straightforward. Join the membership for the channel at $8 a month, and you access all the paid courses for that month. Another way to access our courses is via Patreon. This one is the tricky one, and that is the main reason why I am doing this video. Your Patreon account gives you access to the paid courses and user guides that we have on our website. You have to go to our website and log in via Patreon to access the content. The problem we've been having with this though is that we then have to manually activate your account when you have attempted to log in for the first time. And depending on a few factors, it can take up to 24 hours for one of our team members to do that for you. Mostly it's an issue with different time zones. For $5 a month or $50 a year, you can access our growing database of app courses. But if you hate subscribing to things, we have some courses on Udemy for a one-time purchase. Not all of them will be available on Udemy though, starting with Margin Note. Margin Note 4 won't be available on Udemy. Udemy courses are also slower to roll out because we can only publish a course when it is finished, meaning you might wait a few months to get the course. And lastly, Fantastic Human, may 2025 be your best year yet.